let's get started for buttercream. Okay, for the buttercream recipe is very easy, like the very basic buttercream for me. And let me wash my hands. I just touch my hair. Okay, so I just touched my hair, so I just wash my hands. And we're not gonna use this one here. It's just like its name. Oh, I missed one thing. Heavy cream. So I'm gonna use butter, powdered sugar, heavy cream, vanilla extract, and the food color, the gel food color. Okay? So first of all, I'll mix in this one. Just 1 stick of, I usually use the unsalted butter, but I didn't do the room temperature for that. I have the salted butter, so we're not gonna add salt in it, okay? So this one, the room temperature salted butter. You may use the whisk, but I think I'm gonna use the, okay, here we are, my friends, hand mixer. And I'm gonna beat the soft butter a little bit to make it like, I don't know, just make it like, it's gonna be puff up a little bit, okay? Just do the medium speed. As you can see, it's puff a little bit. So I'm gonna pour this one 100 grams of powdered sugar. Okay, so I don't want them to fry around. If you just mix them right now, the powdered sugar will like fly around. So I'm just gonna stir them a little bit, like that. So let's get the moist of the butter, get into it, and start for the low speed. And then add 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract. And the heavy cream for 3 tablespoons. And then medium speed. Perfect. You can see that it's very tough and it's perfect buttercream. So I'll separate these 2 tiny bowls for making the red color and blue color, and I will left some like the plain cream color, and then put everything to the piping bag. So I use the gel food colors to be red and blue. No, it's green. It's blue. Just, I don't know how much. Depends on how intense of your food color. Just as your desire. Okay, I think it's red enough for me. For the red one, and I'll move to the blue one. Even it's not that blue, but I don't want to eat that much of the food color. But, okay, so let's put into the piping bag. So I use 2 piping tips, and I cannot find one more of like the piping bag for me, so I'm just gonna use the ziplock and the piping tip. It's not that strong, so if you cut it too big, it's not gonna work. Okay, be aware for into. All right, so here we are. 3 colors for buttercream. So this one is cool enough cupcake. I'm just gonna do any design is the homemade, right? Maybe if you have like a children or like cousin, the kids, just invite them. Have some fun, family time. It's perfect. So the flag is gonna be, so I'm gonna do red in the corner and the rest gonna be blue and just like some tiny bit for the white. Okay, so red in the corner. All right, even this one is already cute. So I'll put some more of the white. Here we go. What do you think? And I'll make one more, okay? See how pretty it is? Mm-hmm. Oh, it's in my hands. Enjoy! Make sure you subscribe my channel, Tikoria, and make sure you hit the button right here, maybe right there and right there. And you can follow me, update my lifestyle in my Instagram right here. And see you next time then. Bye-bye. Oh, don't forget to click the like and share if you want to still support me. And thank you very much for coming to my channel. Let's enjoy the cupcake and happy Independence Day, 4th of July. Bye-bye.
close till I get up.